Again to my YouTube channel, Lee's Tech. How are you there? Okay, so for today's video, we will have another unboxing and quick review from this brand new smartphone here. I know that you guys are also excited since I already gave you a hint what is this phone all about. So we are so excited now to see how this phone really looks like and its other accessories. And actually guys, this smartphone is from Realme and they just released or launched this Realme 3 and it's right here guys. Here it is. And now let's see how this phone really looks like, and let's discuss about its specification, and let's have some camera tests as well. So without further ado guys, let's check this out. Okay, so let's open out the box. Oh, by the way guys, my comment about this box is really cool, right? You can see it there, that it's elegant. And so now let's open this box. Okay, there is a Realme box again. It's a little box contained with, okay, the jelly case and pin ejector. No other things that you can see inside of this little box here. So, okay, so this is now the unit itself. We'll see this later. Let's set aside this first and let's look for other accessories. Oh, okay, so actually guys, they said that Realme has official headset or earphones, but the one I have doesn't have. Well, that's okay. So let's see how this USB connector looks like. Okay, so this is a Realme 3 USB connector, and let's look at its wall adapter. Okay, so this is how Realme wall adapter looks like. Okay, it's almost the same with the one I have, the Realme C1, if you guys remember. Yes, so there is no other accessories inside of this box, so let's go directly to the unit itself. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's open this right now. Alright. Wow, I like it. Look at the unit guys. Okay, the one I have is Radiant Blue. Actually guys, this smartphone has other variants too and other available colors. So they have dynamic black, and radiant blue, and luckily the one I have is radiant blue. And as you can see guys, the radiant blue is really nice. The playful color of the bluish green, the mirror reflection where you can see yourself, the build, the sandwich structure is really great. It's beautiful. The curved round edges gives nice grip in hands, and look at the front screen. They also have slimmer bezels here. Realme is really awesome. They build this kind of smartphone that is somehow, I could say, a very competitive one based on its design. How much more if we are going to see its specification later. So let's try to open the unit itself and let's see its screen resolution guys. How does it look? So this is the screen resolution of Realme 3. Wow, look at that. I like the color. And look at the icons guys. Although it's not that really big, but you can see that they are really visible. Yes, and it's nice. It's eye-soothing as well. I like the color of its screen display, and the home screen is also great. So here, let's see for its status bar. Okay, so its status icons is different from what I used to have. They have these bigger icons here, which is not usual actually. From its icons and from its screen resolution, so far they're really nice. Look at the dewdrop design. Look at the camera at the center. And I like also the design where they place the camera. Good thing about this smartphone guys, it has fingerprint scanner, and look at the cute round fingerprint scanner over there. And the logo, you can touch it actually. I mean, you can feel that there is a logo here. And the camera, you can see there the dual protruding rear cameras. So look at the round ring there. This is very nice and very attractive to look at. So actually guys, and this is really premium and this is really beautiful so far. This is another best smartphone design so far that I reviewed. And when we look at its design guys, its build, it seems like it is durable. And for me, it is not that really heavy though. This smartphone is only measured 175 grams and its thickness measured 8.3 millimeters. So it's not that really thick and it's really handy. It's so comfortable to use. Now let's talk about its specification. Okay, so actually guys, I am pretty much impressed about this specification because this is also competitive. Like this phone has 19:9 aspect ratio and its screen resolution has 1520 by 720 pixels. It is already protected by Corning glass, and this smartphone guys has 4,230 milliamp hours battery capacity, which you can use for a longer time. And another thing that I like about this when it comes to its OS, another feature is that this smartphone is already powered by octa-core processor with a MediaTek Helio P60 chipset, and note it is global edition. Wow. Okay, this smartphone actually guys have other variants, like just like what I have said a while ago. This smartphone has 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. It also has 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, which is the one I have now. So this is 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. Expandable up to 256 via microSD card. Alright, so when it comes to its camera, this smartphone has 13 megapixel front camera with these awesome features here like AI beautification, HDR, and AI facial unlock. Now on its rear camera, it packs with dual rear cameras. The main shooter is 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel supporting camera, and I think it's for bokeh effect if I'm not mistaken. And this camera also has LED light support, and it is also packed with other features as well like nightscape, hybrid, HDR, chroma boost, and portrait mode. So you can enjoy more about its camera guys. We are going to explore that later. I will show you there so you can see how this camera perform and how its other features works. From its camera guys, you can see it there, my sample, that this smartphone took a very natural with a really elegant outcome. You can see how beautiful and natural looking the images. I like the focus and the blur effect. It's intense. So you can see that the image looks really nice, detailed. So far guys, I like its camera performance, especially in AI also. You can see it there as well, my sample, that the camera produces really nice outcome. You have a very nice skin texture, and it is not that really exaggerated because you can adjust the AI level. You can also make your skin looks more bright. You can also adjust it if you don't like the intensity of the color. On its rear camera guys, it has a really nice rear camera. You can see it there as well that even the image of the flower looks really nice, very detailed, and very decent to look at. The color is not that really vibrant, but you can see that it is very clear. It's good for Instagrammable shots and all the social uploads. Yes, you can enjoy that with this smartphone. So far, I like the whole thing about this smartphone. Its specification and its design, I love it. And I'm so excited to explore this smartphone, and of course, it's gaming. So much for watching. I hope you guys like this quick unboxing and review, and I hope that you will like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos to come.